The farmer and the snake. It was a cold winter. It had snowed very heavily. Everything on earth had turned white with heavy frost. An old farmer, after working on his farm, was returning his home. On the way, he saw a snake which was frozen with cold. He took pity on it. He picked it up and placed it under his armpit. After some time, the snake was revived by the warmth of the body of the farmer. It resumed its natural instinct and bit the man. It proved to be a deadly sting. While dying, the farmer said that he should not have pitied a rascal. The greatest kindness cannot befriend an enemy. Morals: not to take pity on a harmful person.